intro. I feel like a newscaster or something.
Yes.
Hi, and thank you for watching this
Your hair like bumped.
Hi, and thank you for watching. Hi, and thank you for watching. For today's video, we have a very special guest.
Hi, guys.
If you've seen my eyebrow microblading video, then you remember Amanda.
We had so much fun.
That's why I have these going on. It's like start every morning off going, oh, I love these brows, and that's because of her.
So fun. And now she's teaching me every other area of the face.
So we're doing the makeup portion of it now that we have our brows.
They go together.
So here's the glam. If you want to see how we achieve these looks, then stay tuned. Ready to go? How do you do your, what do you start with?
I just put lotion on and then I put my foundation on, but I don't know if that's right. You and I are both kind of on the oily side.
Yeah.
So we'll grow old really well.
Yeah. Fountain of youth. That's what I was saying. I can't watch my videos before I got microblading. Even the result, like my finished looks before microblading, I'm like, oh no. I used to go like this. So now it's just ready.
It's beautiful.
So I'll touch it up. I'm like doing this in front of the brow expert.
You got your shape. I won't look.
I'm doing like a spelling bee in front of like Webster himself. I pass. Actually, this is like good because I don't really do much. Like I don't have to think.
I tell everyone still, like when you wear your makeup, you still want to put a little bit of, like to make it a little bolder. But the thing is, you shouldn't walk around during the day without brow makeup on looking too bold, you know?
Exactly.
And you see that a lot. So
yes.
Tip for people that want their brows done. Don't overdo it or you'll look weird when you get out of the pool this summer.
Yeah, that's why I didn't get it before because everyone looked like they had makeup on all the time. Okay, do you want to try this primer?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the...
So you wear foundation primer?
Yeah.
Okay. I've never tried foundation primer.
Oh, really?
No, so I have such big pores.
Me too. I'll show you how I do this. But you guys
freaking out.
If you're gonna make noise, they never make noise. Okay, you guys are about to go to the room.
How much do you use? Oh, that much?
The more you rub it in, the stickier it gets on your face.
Let me watch this.
I put it on my nose just because it's like where I have pores.
Yeah, that's my pore zone.
Mine's like shiny here, big pores here, and then it's like gets a little sticky.
Whoa, okay.
I'm like scared.
Oh, it smells really good. I wasn't expecting that. It smells really good. So fancy. Oh my gosh. Does my pores show through my foundation like every day? Dude, this feels amazing.
I love it.
Give it a tiny bit more.
And then my next step doesn't make any sense, but
I'm excited.
I do my white eyeliner.
To open your eyes up?
Yeah.
I gotta see
it. It looks so crazy, like until you're done with your
You've said that it's crazy like 3 times. I'm like waiting for the craziness to happen. I'm like, what is it? It makes sense though.
Yeah, because I used to do it after, and then I would have like fingerprints in my, makeup.
What pencil is it?
MAC Fascinating.
Ooh, that is fascinating. I'm so excited. Oh, it's so bright. Oh, I love that.
Cool. I don't know what this does for like longevity, but I use this primer too. But it's just because I like applying like
primer
more liquid. Yeah, I double prime because I just like putting foundation on your skin, I guess.
Oh, I'm awake now. What foundation do you use?
Dior Forever.
You put it on your brush?
I put it, okay, so I put it on my finger like this.
Okay.
And then I go like that.
I've never used a brush for it. I've always used the beauty blender.
I used the beauty blender for my concealer because
it
shears it out and I like really full coverage on my face.
Totally.
So I like a brush for that.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna try a brush. I'm like 75% too light right now. So the blend of my colors changes by day.
Oh my gosh, my dogs are crying in the background.
They
want to do makeup too.
I can like see the difference with the primer. Dude, pores are gone. I know this brush is like too loose for foundation, so I'm just setting it in. We should go shopping.
Yeah, this is like really bright and this also is going to look really crazy.
I've been warned.
Disclaimer. I put my concealer.
It doesn't even look that light. When I say crazy, I'm like, where's the crazy?
Here.
So you don't apply the brush, you just put it on your finger?
Yeah.
Do you make funny makeup faces like me?
Oh yeah. This is how I prime my eyeshadow. And then this is when I use the Laura Mercier.
That's the best thing I have in my makeup stuff, and you got it for me. And I never feel like I can use too much of it either.
I've layered it like a lot, and it's not like ever white or anything, you know?
Yeah. I love watching how people put stuff on. I'm always like, oh, here's a little bit. I need to like cake it on a little more.
I have a really heavy hand.
See, and I'm too light, so this is great. What is this?
This is powder.
What the heck is what?
They're like pearls.
What?
They smell really good.
What?
Yeah. And I just use it to set. And then they have like a little bit of that like gold like for shimmer.
Ooh. I love the whole ball thing. I don't know.
I know they have it in a compact. I'm
like a 4-year-old. I'm like, oh my gosh.
Yeah.
What is that?
This is my contour brush. This is the NARS Ida.
Holy crap. Let's see this. And then Marc. Oh my gosh.
Marc Jacobs. Tantastic.
I love puns.
So this I just use because it does like the work for you. So like,
dang.
Contour. But I like it because it just gives
it's like
you
a perfect line. I love doing the hairline. Gives me dimension with the blonde.
Oh. And then underneath that is where I bake.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Yeah.
That took like 3 seconds.
So when I vlogged and we did microblading, that was your old place, right?
Yeah, you haven't been to the new place yet.
No.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna love it. You'll love it because it's super modern, really clean, super fresh feeling. Lots of grays. I know you love grays.
So it's an academy?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's so nuts. I have someone that's flying in from Iran for their course. I know. They messaged me and they're like, I want to. I'm like, oh my gosh.
How long is the course?
It's a whole 6-month program.
Oh, okay.
A lot of people try to learn brows in a day or on YouTube.
How to do it?
How to do microblading? No, I'm not kidding you. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. And in Washington, people can get a license without training. So being a licensed artist doesn't mean anything.
Right.
So people, like, it's really important to see where they got their training, how long they've been doing it, look at their photos, healed work.
Yeah.
Healed work.
So wow, a 6-month course?
Mm-hmm. And the biggest thing was we wanted to, like, give people a ton of support. So it's like a whole community. Am I doing this right?
Yeah, cool. Yeah.
You just make a little line.
I put
and then
so
go down.
much. Also, I put a lot of powder because I'm so greasy, it'll just absorb it anyway. So like I go like...
That defines the... I've never done this before. That's really nice.
Yeah, I feel like it cleans it and makes it more like... I was reading the 6 Figures Club. Is that what it's called?
6-digit club.
Yeah, and there was like bartender, changed career paths.
Accounting.
So cool. Yeah, exactly.
Isn't that so fun?
I love it. I just use my bronzer for my transition shade because I think it makes it look more like it's part of the shadow, you know? Like I'm faking like this is my bone structure that it's not, so that I'm faking like this is the depth, you know? So it's the same color.
So smart.
So I like to use it. I'm going to sound like a salesperson really badly, but I love Sigma. And they sell it on Nordstrom.com or SigmaBeauty.com. But I just like go in the transition like circular motions.
And bring it in?
Yeah.
All the way to the corner?
Yep. Like that.
Okay.
It's like really nice if you're doing full glam. Even if you do like black or something, it'll make everything blend.
You do black eyeshadow?
Yeah.
I'm not that ballsy. I would ruin it. That's why I need to learn this technique so I can do better eyeshadow.
I used to do it like for every day. I would put black in my outer corner.
Maybe I'll start doing it once I'm How's that?
Yeah. And like it creates like dimension too, right?
It does.
You have good eyelids, like you have the
like
crease already.
Mm-hmm.
So I have to pretend. That's my favorite for just the transition to like create depth and like make everything really blendy. Do you like cool tones or warm tones?
Probably cool. I don't know.
Okay, I've been doing cool tones.
Yeah.
And I just did a makeup tutorial and this color is discontinued. So whoops. But this is Makeup Geek Barcelona Beach.
And it's almost done.
I know, once that's done,
yeah.
That's it.
Like, is it another Sigma?
Oh, yeah, it is! Sigma E25. So it's like...
I like how you know the number.
It's just,
and it even says what it's for.
Yep. Going like that.
And then just blending it.
Mm-hmm. If you hold like the brush like closer to the end, it'll do a lot of the work for you.
Ooh.
So you don't have to like
brush tip
do as much. Yeah, it'll go.
Oh, that is nice.
Mm-hmm. I love these colors because like they look good on so many different skin tones.
It's so fun. It makes my eyes pop.
Yeah. You have like the real crease. It's so
To
nice.
make up for my lack of makeup skill.
That was good.
I love the cool tones. Is it bad that I don't wear liner?
No.
Okay. I just fail. Look at that. It's like a Sharpie. What if you mess it up?
You just go thicker above it. Beginner tip. Place your applicator like on your lash line.
Oh, that's nice. I like that better. I was going the wrong direction. Oh, it went up my lid.
I just make it go thicker. Like,
Oh. Oh my gosh, I keep blinking when I do it and it goes up my lid.
Oh, you know what? We should do black eyeshadow.
We're doing
then.
black eyeshadow.
Yeah.
Change of plan.
You can, and then you'll just blend it out and you won't even know.
I have a little tail in the middle of my eyeball.
Yeah, so I would just press it like that.
And blend it out?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
When you blend, you can either use no product or you can use some of the bronzer, that cool tone color.
Loving the cool tones.
Yeah. They're really flattering.
Okay, and then to blend it out, do you just blend it upward?
Mm-hmm.
Like, I gotta hold it all the way out, and then just blend it kind of up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Hid the tail. I actually like it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah, that looks really good.
I did black shadow. You do black eyeshadow?
Yeah.
I'm not that ballsy. Oh, nice.
Yeah, for this stuff too, like I put like when we were like way higher,
Yeah.
so you can like make those crazy faces.
Ooh. See, I feel like extreme when I put it on at first, and then when I blend it out, I'm like, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yep.
But I feel so weird when I first put it on.
That means you did it right.
Really?
Yeah, every single
No
time.
wonder I never try things. I'm so scared. You make it look easy.
I did lashes like since middle school.
Wow. I've got some catching up to do.
This nylon, so like there. It like uplifts the eye, and I just think it's so flattering.
It is really brightening.
Mm-hmm. So before you did brows, you were an accountant.
Like
right?
a super nerd.
How did you go from that like career-wise? Because if
I got mine done. And then I wouldn't shut up about it.
Really?
Because I loved it so
Oh.
freaking much. Because it like transforms everything when you have good brows.
Oh yeah.
You know?
I can't imagine like how much that changed my face.
But it's subtle.
Yeah. Realistically, it's only like centimeters
Like
difference.
nothing.
But it felt like it's like a whole different eyebrow.
You pack that on.
I do, because it absorbs throughout the day, I promise. And it just brings life to the face, you know?
Look at that.
It's like, that's pretty. Well, these are like really universal shades because they look good.
I know, isn't this funny? You're sitting on like really like pale skin over here. I just like that it has that little bit of shimmer to it. It's not like too much, but it's like perfect.
Yeah.
Black shadow.
That looks so good. I just put this on top.
Oh, that's
Right
pretty.
there. Do you like really beaming highlights?
I would beam if I knew how to beam. So I cannot confidently beam.
Put it on after I set my face with spray, so it's like a little wet, so it'll like bring out the color even more. You know, like if you use like a wet brush when you do eyeshadow or something, it'll be like a lot of people, they'll use a shadow when their brush is wet.
So it makes it thicker.
Yeah, and really like saturated of color.
Wow.
Some setting sprays, they're for like dry skin. This one's the opposite, so it'll keep you matte.
I'm still healing from my powder, so.
Yeah, that looks good.
Isn't it so fun?
I just swiped this one.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Becca has really good highlights. They have like Opal is a good one. That's Champagne Pop.
Oh, that's so fun.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness. This is crazy.
See, that looks good. You have such nice eyelashes.
Sometimes they touch the top though where my lid is. Oh, I love that black shadow.
I know, I really like your makeup.
I never would have said that, ever. It's so fun, look at that,
I'm like trying to find this shade because they discontinued it.
Dude, all your
Shopping for other
favorite stuff
ones.
is discontinued. That's
I
really
know.
sad.
In makeup nowadays, it's always like those like limited edition launches, you know?
I like finding things that you can wear for a while, you know?
I had my favorite eyeshadow from MAC got discontinued, and then they brought it back like 4 years later.
Oh my gosh. I'm macked up.
Yeah, that looks perfect.
I love the blend of those two colors. I would never think of that ever.
I got it from somebody on Instagram.
It's amazing.
Okay, so these are our finished looks. We are all glam now.
I love it. I have black eyeshadow, but you would never know.
It's really...
I keep staring at the shadow. I like look up and...
Okay, so thank you so much for watching. And thank you for coming on my
Yes,
channel.
so
This was
fun.
okay.
Shopping trip coming up.
So we'll do a vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.